Good morning. Welcome back to Alchemy School online classes. Kids, in the last part of the video, we had done about adaptation in behavior. Okay, we learn about some new terms that is your hibernation, estivation. We learn about that hibernation is that some animals, when winter comes, they sleep in cave or underground holes for many months. That is called your hibernation. Okay, and estivation is that some animal go to sleep for a long time in the summer month. That is known as your estivation. Okay, so that's we learn about. Okay, so that is your chapter. Okay, we have learned about we learn about different types of animals. Okay, we had divided animals into different types based on their habitat. Okay, that is your terrestrial animal, your aquatic animal, your amphibians, arboreals, your aerial animals. Okay, then we learn about your carnivores, omnivores, okay, scavengers. Now come to your parasites. Okay, now come to your I think and reflect section. So here is given your I think and reflect section. Okay, there is a crow and a monkey, both lives on trees. Okay, according to their habitat. You know what is a habitat? A natural home of an animal or a plant. We can we group them in the same category of animal? Why or why not? Okay, so what this section say, that there is a crow and monkey and they both live on trees. Okay, and according to their habitat, can we group them in the same category of animal? Okay, why or why not? So what do you think? What will be the answer of this question? Yes, you are right. We cannot put a crow and a monkey in the same group. You know why? A monkey is an arboreal animal, means it spends most of its time on trees. Okay, and a crow is an aerial animal, and it spends most of time by fly. Okay, it can fly. Your crow can fly, but your monkey cannot. Okay, so that's why we cannot put them in same category. Now come to your iLink section. Okay, so on the page number your 46. Okay, there is given iLink section, that is your social study. Okay, related to social study fun. Okay, in this section you have given that you have to locate some deserts found in India on a map and find out some animals that live in those deserts. Kids, can you tell me the name of some deserts which found in India? Yes, yes. Your Thar Desert, okay, which is found in Rajasthan. Yes. Your Great Run of Kutch, which is found in Gujarat. Okay, and there is also Cold Mountain Desert in Himalayas. Okay, so in Thar Desert, animals which live in Thar Desert, that is your desert fox. Okay, your camel, your black buck. Okay, and the animals which live in Great Run of Kutch, that is Nilgai, wolf, your desert cat. Okay, then come to animal which live in cold mountain desert, that is your snow leopard, giant panda, yak. Okay, let's look at the map. Okay, that where these deserts are located. Okay, so here is given you. Okay, so this area is known as your this is the area where your Thar Desert is located, where in the Rajasthan, and this yellow region is the area of Gujarat where your Run of Kutch is located. Okay, and this cold area where your cold mountain desert which is present in Himalayas, that is present in this area on the India map. So that is about your different types of desert and animal which found in these deserts. Now come to your I extend section. Okay, so here is given, if a polar bear decided to go and live on the Sahara desert, would it be able to survive? Why or why not? Yes. No, it will not be able to survive. It has thick fur on its body and its temperature, and temperature in desert is already hot, and it has thick fur on its body, so it will not be able to survive in a desert. Okay, now come to your I learn for section. Have you been in a situation in your life that forced you to change? Was the change easy or difficult? How did you cope up with it? Write a diary and describing the change. Okay, so what your I learn for section is that have you been in a situation in your life that forced you to change? Means have you ever changed your school? Okay, if you have changed your school, then in new school what difficulty you find out? Okay, if you have changed your home, then how did you cope up with it? So that is your homework, you have to done it by yourself. Okay, and now come to your I observe section. That is that you have to watch some animal related program. Okay, on the Discovery or National Geography channel. Collect some interesting fact about animals from these program. Okay, share this fact in the class and also mention the name of the program that you watched. Okay, so on Discovery you can see some animal related program. There is a program name, I think, River Monster, so you can watch it and you can collect some information. Okay, so that is your homework. I observe and I learn for life. So students, that's all for today. So we had done your 5th chapter, that is completed. So thank you and have a nice day.